Hello, good day viewers, welcome back once again. Today we're going to solve for the value of x that will satisfy the following given radical equation. Well, I received this problem from a friend on Facebook and he asked me about the solution. Now, let us talk about this value of x that will satisfy this equation, and do not forget x is a real number. Now for 1 plus x, which is under this root sign, we all know that for real value of x, then 1 plus x needs to be greater than or equal to 0. So from here, subtract 1 from both sides, we have that x must be greater than or equal to -1, right? Okay, now let's get into the video. Now I will start by making a substitution. Now I'm going to let the square root of x equals y. Now when I cube both sides, we get x is equal to y to the power of 3. Now the equation will be transformed to square root of 1 plus square root of 1 plus y cubed. Then this is equal to y. Now let's go ahead and square both sides. So we all know here that this root sign and the square here will cancel out, and we're left with 1 plus root of 1 plus y cubed. This is equal to y squared. Now let's go ahead and subtract 1 from both sides. We get square root of 1 plus y cubed. This is equal to y squared minus 1. From here, let's go ahead and square both sides again. This is equal to y squared minus 1 squared. So from here, the square and the root sign cancel out. We're left with 1 plus y cubed. This is equal to, if you try expanding this, we'll be making use of this binomial expansion of a minus b squared, which is a squared plus b squared minus 2 times a times b. So here, y squared squared will give us y to the power of 4 plus -1 squared, right? That will give us 1 minus 2 times first term here and times the second term, which is 2y squared. So from here, let us change the sides of the equation. So this is same as y to the power of 4 minus 2y squared plus 1. This is equal to 1 plus y cubed. So from here, we get y to the power of 4 minus 2y squared here minus y cubed plus 1 minus 1. This is equal to 0. So from here, we get y to the power of 4 minus y cubed minus 2y squared. This is equal to 0, because 1 minus 1 here is 0. So we have a common factor of y squared. Then we have y to the power of 4 divided by y squared will give us y squared here minus y, and here minus 2. This is equal to 0. So from here, this implies that y squared is equal to 0. We have the following quadratic equation. Y squared, now, negative y, I can write it as plus y minus 2y, right? Because y minus 2y will give us negative y, then minus 2, this is equal to 0. So from here, y is equal to plus or minus square root of 0, which is just 0. And here, we have to factor out y, and we're left with y plus 1. Minus 2 factored out, we're left with y plus 1. This is equal to 0. So from here, we have that y minus 2 multiplied by y plus 1. This is equal to 0. So from here, we get y is equal to 2, right? Because y minus 2 is equal to 0, we give us this solution. And we have the other solution when y plus 1 is equal to 0, which is y is equal to -1. Now, let us recall that x is actually equal to y cubed. Now, here we have x1 is equal to y cubed. Here, the first value of y here, 0. 0 cubed, which will give us 0, right? And we have x2 is equal to, here let's use 2 cubed, right? That will give us 8. Now let's use -1 in this case. So we have -1 cubed, which will give us a -1. But in the original equation, remember that x must be greater than or equal to -1. But in the original equation, -1 is not a solution. 0 is not a solution as well. So here x is not equal to 0 and x is not equal to -1. The only value of x, be it real, that satisfies the equation is 8. And from here, we conclude that x is equal to 8. And this is the only real solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.